Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing the 5 best cookware set, handpicked through research and testing to meet different needs. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly options, top performance, or unique features, I've categorized them to match various preferences. Check the description for the latest prices and details. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's get started. Number 1. Tefal Ultimate Hard Anodized. Experience culinary magic with Tefal Ultimate Hard Anodized, an extraordinary cookware set that transforms your kitchen moments into joyful cooking adventures. Imagine expertly crafted pots and pans that elevate every meal, making cooking not just a task but a delightful ritual. The non-stick surface brings ease, allowing your culinary creativity to shine without the fuss of stubborn residues. Envision preparing sumptuous dinners for loved ones, where laughter fills the air as delicious aromas waft through your home. This set inspires confidence and excitement, elevating your skills, whether you are a seasoned chef or just starting out. With Tefal Ultimate Hard Anodized, you will embrace every cooking experience, sparking joy and connection around the dining table. Let each meal be an opportunity to create beautiful memories, making your kitchen a cherished gathering place for family and friends. Number 2. Calphalon Non-Stick Kitchen Cookware Set. Elevate your culinary adventures with the Calphalon Non-Stick Kitchen Cookware Set. Imagine creating delightful meals that fill your home with aromatic warmth, bringing friends and family together around the dinner table. Each pot and pan is designed to make cooking enjoyable, allowing you to explore new recipes effortlessly. The Stay Cool stainless steel handles offer comfort and safety as you mix, stir, and sauté your favorite ingredients. With even heating from hard anodized aluminum, your dishes will not only taste incredible but will also look beautiful. This set transforms cooking into a joyful experience, where creativity flourishes. From morning breakfasts to elaborate dinners, every meal becomes a celebration. Investing in the Calphalon Non-Stick Kitchen Cookware Set means investing in future moments filled with love, laughter, and lasting memories in your kitchen. Make every dish extraordinary and turn cooking into your favorite pastime. Number 3. Tefal Stainless Steel Cookware Set. Transform your culinary adventures with the Tefal Stainless Steel Cookware Set, bringing inspiration and joy to your kitchen. Imagine the aroma of delicious meals filling your home as you effortlessly create memorable dishes for loved ones. This 11-piece set is designed to elevate your cooking experience, making every meal feel special. The gleaming stainless steel shines as brightly as your passion for cooking. Picture cozy dinners and festive gatherings where each plate becomes a canvas for your creativity. Feel the excitement of preparing everything from intimate breakfasts to grand dinners, all while enjoying the durable and elegant design that fits seamlessly into any kitchen. Let the Tefal Stainless Steel Cookware Set be your trusted companion, igniting your love for cooking and helping you create cherished moments and delicious memories with every dish you serve. Number 4. Snowclad Pots and Pans Set Non-Stick. Elevate your culinary adventures with the Snowclad Pots and Pans Set Non-Stick. Envision the joy of creating delicious meals with ease, thanks to the seamless non-stick surface that allows food to glide effortlessly from pan to plate. This exquisite collection ignites your passion for cooking, transforming everyday dishes into gourmet experiences. Each piece inspires creativity, from perfecting a breakfast omelette to simmering a rich sauce. The elegant stainless steel design not only enhances your kitchen's aesthetic but also promises durability for years to come. Imagine gathering family around the table, sharing laughter and stories as the aroma of home-cooked meals fills the air. With PFOA-free materials and induction compatibility, you can cook with confidence and peace of mind. Unleash your inner chef and make every meal memorable with this stunning cookware set. Number 5. Pots and Pans Stainless Steel Cookware Set. Discover the joy of cooking with the Pots and Pans Set Hybrid Stainless Steel. This 17-piece non-stick tri-ply cookware set transforms your kitchen into a haven of culinary creativity. Imagine preparing delightful meals for loved ones, feeling the warmth of home and shared laughter. Each piece in this collection is designed to elevate your cooking experience, ensuring flavors come alive in every dish. The cookware's durable construction allows for effortless cooking, so you can focus on creating rather than worrying about stickiness. With its compatibility for all cooktops, including induction, this set empowers you to cook across various surfaces. The sleek design adds elegance to your kitchen, making every meal a stylish affair. Embrace the art of cooking and let your meals be a celebration of taste, love, and togetherness in your home. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.